How do people go there? How do people go there? She sings well. She sings well. Where is the ticket counter? Where is the ticket counter? Where is he? Where is he? I have never seen it before. I have never seen it before. Turn to the left. Turn to the left. How far from the office? How far from the office? Smoking is a bad habit. Smoking is a bad habit. Which way to go there? Which way to go there? Crossing the street. Crossing the street. I don't take tea. I don't take tea. The train will stop here 10 minutes. The train will stop here 10 minutes. How much will be that? How much will be that? He will be 20 minutes late. Who has broken my mobile? Who has broken my mobile? Get out at once. Get out at once. I will go to school after eating. I will go to school after eating. Turn to the right. Turn to the right. Don't spend more than you earn. Don't spend more than you earn. I have got a toothache. I have got a toothache. It is a place of pilgrimage. It is a place of pilgrimage. He is a painter. He is a painter. It is a one-way road. It is a one-way road. What is he? What is he? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Feeling worse than before. Feeling worse than before. This house is to be let. This house is to be let. Call the doctor. Call the doctor. I am shivering with a fever. I am shivering with a fever. The moon itself has no light. The moon itself has no light. You were supposed to come today. You were supposed to come today. He could not catch the bus. He could not catch the bus. Is he lying on the grass? Is he lying on the grass? Why are the people here? Why are the people here? Have you no job? Have you no job? Is everything all right? Is everything all right? We went to play. We went to play. I am better than before. I am better than before. The cow is a humble animal. The cow is a humble animal. Why have you come here? Why have you come here? I am quite all right. I am quite all right. The man is lying. The man is lying. You look pale. You look pale. How are you today? How are you today? Rita has not eaten yet. Rita has not eaten yet. When will the car arrive? When will the car arrive? Help the poor. Help the poor. She did not return home last night. She did not return home last night. When will he return back? When will he return back? He lives at number 10. He lives at number 10. Please switch on the light. Please switch on the light. When do your classes begin? When do your classes begin? Give a first class return. Give a first class return. I want to go to Delhi. I want to go to Delhi. Wait for some time. Wait for some time. He knows English well. He knows English well. Now it is 4:30. Now it is 4:30. When do you go to sleep? When do you go to sleep? He is out. He is out. Never tell a lie. Never tell a lie. What happened to her? What happened to her? He is not very well. He is not very well. Let us go out for a walk. Let us go out for a walk. What is it in your hand? What is it in your hand? Did he go to school? Did he go to school? I feel nausea. I feel nausea. They will come to the station. They will come to the station. He is not in the house. He is not in the house. Let him go now. Let him go now. What is his profession? What is his profession? How long have you been standing here? How long have you been standing here? Straight on. Straight on. Who else are in the room? Who else are in the room? I am as before. I am as before. The boy went away singing. The boy went away singing. Whose books are these? Whose books are these? He has caught a bad cold. He has caught a bad cold. Is there a good doctor here? Is there a good doctor here? What building is that? What building is that? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.